Shemai! Let's look at some chords. So we're going to look at the C, the F, the G7 and the A minor chords today. And with those 4 chords you can play absolutely loads of songs on the ukulele. So we're going to be using the chord charts. If you're not sure how to read those, check out my video for C and F because I explain how the chord charts work with the ukuleles. Right, the C chord first of all. So it's the 3rd fret on the A string and we play that with our 3rd finger and it should sound like this. There's our C chord. Our F chord is the 1st fret on the E string and the 2nd fret on the G string and it should sound like this. There's our F chord. Now our G7, if you move your 2nd finger across one string, so it's 2nd fret on the C string, and then you tuck your ring finger, your 3rd finger, in on the A string, 2nd fret, and your G7 should sound like this. Okay? And then the last chord is an A minor, which is 2nd fret on the G string, and we play that with our 2nd finger. And that's what our A minor should sound like. Okay? Now then, you might notice in the exercise the little coloured ukuleles. That's because in school we use different coloured stickers to represent the chords. Okay, so let's do a play through the exercise. It starts on a C and it's just 1 strum to start, so don't panic. Here we go. 2, 3, 4. Okay, onto your A minor straight away. Then onto your F, so you put your 1st finger down. Then G7 straight away, move your 2 fingers across. And then thinking about your C. So you're moving your fingers as soon as you've played that last strum. Okay, 1st finger down for F. And then move your fingers straight across for your G7. And then your last chord of your C. Okay. Now we're going to do exactly the same, but with 2 strums this time. So get yourselves ready. C to start. Go! 1, 2, 3. A minor straight away. So you're moving your fingers before the chords actually change. Always thinking ahead. G7. Alright. A minor. Thinking ahead. Put your 1st finger down now for your F. And you're going to move those 2 fingers across for your G7 and you finish with your C again. How are you doing? Okay, 4 strums. Don't panic if you miss the last strum, just keep going. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. A minor, move. 1. F, move. G7, move your 2 fingers. Okay, thinking about your C, A minor, move, put your 1st finger down for your F, move your 2 fingers across for your G7, and you finish on a C. How did you do? So let's play through it one more time. I'm going to try not to speak, okay? So it's 1 strum starting on our F. Get yourselves ready. 2, 3, 4. How was that? Right, I did well, I didn't speak, I don't think. Okay, 2 strums, starting a C. last time, all 4 strums. Here we go, get ready. 2, 3, 4. How did you get on? Don't panic, you can always go back, watch the video again and practice it, but I hope it has helped. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.